Hello everybody, today I want to tell you about how to do Amazon affiliate marketing on Instagram Reels. Now it's too easy. Okay, this is a new program released in for Meta on Instagram. Now you need make first update your app. Okay, open your App Store or Play Store. Doesn't matter if you have Android, and update your Instagram. When you are finished, open your Instagram. The first thing that you need for this is have a professional profile. Okay, example, in your profile you need have something like that professional dashboard. If you don't have this, okay, you need change your personal profile to professional profile. How? In edit profile, you need scroll here, and in when you say personal information settings and show your profile is verified, okay, you have one option more, is change your personal profile to professional profile. Okay, when you change your profile and have this professional dashboard, open that, and in your tools you have your Amazon affiliate program. Why I don't have this option in my profile? Because this option that Amazon profile, Amazon affiliate marketing is only released in USA and UK. Okay, for the moment, it's a new program. Okay, I live in Colombia, I don't have this option now. Okay, but here you can watch, if you live in USA, you can watch your Amazon affiliate program. Now, what do you need to do? You need link your Amazon account here. Okay, that's it. This is all. When you're finished and your Amazon account is linked with your Instagram account, when you make a new post, reel or picture, can you watch in your options a new option? Okay, that is a tag or add your product. Example, if you make a reel about, I don't know, about a table, okay, or a new PC, you can add a link that in from Amazon with that PC and get more money if somebody buy while your link. I don't know if I say correctly, but I hope that yes. Okay, sorry for my bad English. And this is all. Okay, with this option you're on, digamos, enable, okay, your Amazon account, your Amazon affiliate program, and when you are a post, you can see your option. This is all. Sorry for my bad English, and have a good day. See you later.